Hi, Miss M6749. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Marjorie Santulo. I'm 37 years old from Talisay, Camarines Norte, Philippines. I'm single mother of 3 daughters, ages 12, 13, and 17. I am a Roman Catholic. I'm graduated in St. Francis Parochial School. My working experience for almost 11 years in the Philippines from January 1, 2015 to February 25, 2026. I served 3 members of family, the couples, and from newborn baby to 11 years old. My main duties is to clean the house, ironing, washing, cooking, and also I take care of the pet, 1 cat and 1 dog.
Okay, so since you have experience taking care of a newborn baby from 0 to 11 years old, so you know how to prepare a milk for a baby, right?
Yes.
And it's okay to you to take care of a newborn.
Yes.
Okay, if the newborn is crying, what will you do?
I will check the diaper if it's full, or I I body temperature, and then I feed them.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry after you did your best, what will you do?
I notify my employer.
Okay, do you have any relative in Hong Kong?
No,
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because I'm the one who gives the support my family. I will. This is my reason. Because the high salary.
Okay, and how long do you prepare to work in Hong Kong?
Maybe 2 years or long. It depends on my employer.
Okay, you will work for 2 years in Hong Kong, and who will be the one to take care of your
My
children?
mother and my younger brother.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I'm known to cook Filipino foods. I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Watching YouTube step by step, and I will talk my employer to how. If you teach me, I grab it.
Okay, so you are willing to learn with your
Yes.
employer. Okay. If your employer prepare food for you, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes.
It is okay to you to share job without a helper?
Yes.
How about sharing room with a baby?
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday
Yes.
setup. It is okay to you to take care of pets and elderly.
Yes.
Okay, it is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
So my future employer, I assure you that I'm being honest, responsible, and I will take care of your family. And also, I give my best to do everything. Ma'am, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Marjorie. Thank you.
Thank you.